I have absolutely had it with these ants. For months now I've had to put up with ants. Just look, they get in a sugar packet even. I've tried leaving them out. Damn things are everywhere. Inside the cupboards here they were the other day, all over everywhere. Awful. They always show up months before rain sometimes, but these have been here for ages with all the rain lately. Look at them. I even sprinkled them in the bowl to try and separate them, but they're just everywhere. Adds for vitamins, I suppose, in your coffee, but they don't really taste good, so I'm going to try something to get rid of the things, because I can't tolerate it. Of course, it's been proven that ants are highly intelligent with a well-organised society.
Did you know that humans can actually build bridges?
Really? How do they get them into the disco?
So you can use my old friend apple cider vinegar if you like, but let's just use some cheap ordinary vinegar from the shops. So, get an ordinary spray bottle. Here's one I prepared earlier. Do a 50-50 mix. I'm not going to fill up the whole thing because I don't have enough vinegar, but an equal ratio, half and half approximately, of vinegar. Put some water in. Give it a swirl. And screw the top on. Now, ants hate vinegar, apparently. So let's see if that's true. So I'm just going to give a light mist around the place. I'll do that one outside. Give a mist around cupboard shelves, because there was a lot in there the other day with the tea. All the rain we've had lately has been terrible, and it brings the ants around. So let's take the sugar bowl outside that I've put the ants in, hoping they would leave, but they didn't, and see what it does to them.
On the floor and get ready to, because you are popcorn ready to.
Let's see what that does to them.
We can hear the drums sounding like so. Here we go.
Well, there you go. The ones that didn't kill certainly disappeared. They're exiting. They don't like the smell of vinegar. I do. So there you go, a quick and easy way to get rid of ants at your place. If you liked that video, check out the reason so many ants came around is all the humidity and raining inside the other day. So wet. Literally like you've thrown a bucket of water over the whole floor. Wow. Condensation. Anyway, check the video out. Hope that helps. Cheers.